If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we should be able to go to Apps, and then here in Apps, we're gonna go to the App Lock. First, we need to set up the password for the App Lock, so you can choose one of these password types. And let's say I'm gonna choose Pattern in my example. And then you can just enter the password that you wish to use for the App Lock, go Next, and enter the same password again, and then Confirm. Now, once you set it up, as you can see, we have the list of apps, and you can choose whichever app should be locked. So let's say I'm going to choose TikTok and Spotify as an example. But since we want to use the fingerprint, in addition to that, we need to also go to Settings over here, and then we can enable Use Fingerprint to unlock. Of course, your fingerprint sensor has to be enabled. You need to scan your finger in the settings, of course, to be able to do so. If you don't know how to set up the fingerprint sensor yet, then you can find that option by going to Security and Privacy over here. Then you can go to the Device Unlock, and of course over here we have Face and Fingerprint Unlock. So you should be able to set it up here in this place. And then if you try to open any of these locked apps, then as you can see, we can use our fingerprint to unlock the access. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.